Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest brand video. Today I'm gonna show you how to put none option on your payment method while you are updating or downloading free apps from the App Store. You are asked to verification required for the App Store. So you have to do is just put your none option as a payment method but don't know how to do it. So I'm going to tell you in this video. So watch the video till end. So what you have to do is just first of all open settings app on your device and then tap here on Apple ID profile and now tap on media and purchases and now tap on view account and now tap on country or region and now tap on change country or region. And from here what you have to do is just select your country. I'm selecting here Pakistan. Now tap on agree. Again tap on agree. And here is the payment method, credit, debit card or none. So here you have to select on none. And then here put the information. You can put fake one. And here is the city. So my city is Rahimir Khan. And here you have to give the postcode or zip code for your city or country. If you don't know about the zip code of your city, what you have to do is just go back and open any browser app or Safari browser and search here for the zip code or postcode for your city. And as you can see, here it is 64200 for Rahimir Khan. So what you have to do is just go back and put this one. Six 4200 and here put the phone number. You can put fake one and now tap on done. Now as you can see, my payment method as none has been selected. So now I can download or update free apps from the App Store without verification required. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.